Hello guys, in this video we try just to explain to you how to know that you are losing money, it means you have a loser, and how to know that you have a winner, it means you make money. But the thing I'm talking about is not when you see, for example, we say, oh, it's just simple. You buy something $20, it's going down, you lose. Okay, this is what you think, and then you say to me, okay, you buy at $20, it goes to 21. Okay, it's a winner, you make money. So what is this video about? We don't understand. So this is the ideas of the general public, or the traders who are beginners, or even some who have been trading for 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but they don't really understand what is a loser, and if you are right or wrong, and what is a winner, and if you are right or wrong. Even in winner, you can be wrong also. So in this video, I will try just to explain into details. Very, very simple. Okay? Now, when you buy a stock, let's say at $20, you put stop loss at $19, so your risk is $100 in 100 shares. Okay? This is your risk. Now, if the stock is going down and it crosses, the prices crosses your stop loss, you will exit the trade. Now here, you have a loser, all the people know. But understand that in my strategies, how do I work? I put this loser into a portfolio and I leave it for a few days. If the stock goes up again, okay, goes up again, I will buy it again when it reaches, for example, my purchase price that I bought before, and I put the same stop loss. Now, why is that? Is that a loser? It is not a loser because you exit the trade. No. A loser is when a trade doesn't come back again. For example, a stock that it is $20, it crosses 19, but it goes down and down and down. Now it is 17 or 15, and it is in a downtrend. So this stock, it is very hard for it to come back again. It can come back after 1 month or 2 or 3 or 6, or it will never come back. So for you, understand that when you exit with a stop loss, it doesn't mean it's the end of everything, that this trade is done. No. It is, the stop loss is just where you can't stay anymore. And you should do it, because if you leave the stock without stop loss, sometimes it can go down so much that it becomes a big loser. Okay? Now, this is for the losers. It means, the bottom line, what is it? It means if you put stop loss, you exit the trade. How do you know that it is a true loser? If the stock continues to go down, 19, it goes to 18, 17, 15. So this trade has no immediate chance to be corrected. No immediate chance to be corrected, because you can't go and buy it at 15, because it is not the price that you should buy. You have bought at 20, and this is your purchase price, and this is the good price for you to buy. Okay? So stop, try not to do like the others. When the stock is going down, you buy more. Now, this is a very big mistake. This is called averaging down. When you average down, it means you make your loss bigger and bigger and bigger. You put 5,000, it goes down, you put another 5,000, then it will go down. So instead of losing $100 or $200, you double the loss. It becomes 400 or 500, 600, and then it goes down 2 days or 3 days, and then you will see a big loss. So averaging down in this situation is not a good deal. Now we finish with losers. Now the winners. You bought a stock at $20. It goes to 21. Oh, it is a winner, and you exit the trade. Is this really a winner? It is not. Although you make some money or little money, but you think that it is money. But in real, it is not. Now, how do you know? When you exit the trade, maybe you are scared, maybe you don't know how to trade, maybe you have no idea how to follow the trend. What you should do with this? I give you just a solution to this problem. You put this winner into your chart, into your portfolio, like we do in, like you put stocks into a portfolio, and then what do? You just wait. If the stock is continuing up, it means that it is that you are right, but you have done a mistake to exit early. You need to buy it again and let it go. Let it run for more money. And this is how in swing trading we make money. We make money because of the price appreciation. When the price is going up, it can take 1 week, 2 weeks, 5 weeks, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months. It depends on each stock. Okay? So that's in general how you know that it is a loser and you know that it is a winner. Now, if you exit a winner, but the stock is going down and going down, understand that you are right and your exit price that you do is right, and there is no problem with that. But if you see a winner, you exit the winner. After a few days, it goes up. It means that you have done a mistake because the market is willing to give you more money, but you exit. You don't want to. And then later you complain and you say, why I don't make money from trades? It's just because it is your mistake. It's not to stay more and more and more. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video or for listening. Please, if you have any other idea or any solutions or whatever you think, please comment on the section or on the comment section, or just send me a private message by my email, which is in the description. Thank you very much and have a good night.